when you pressure cook something, whether it's this one or another one, I grew up with a different type of pressure cooker, so you gotta kind of learn how it works. After you're done pressure cooking, it'll stay in this warm mode. If you notice right here, that pin is still all the way up and it's still in the seal mode. Before you open it, what? Whoa! Look at. Whoa! You gotta. Oh, vent it. Oh, wow. Kitchen smells like heaven. So, that pin right there, see how it's still in the warm mode, blinking? You can shut it off. Don't need it working anymore. And all that pressure that developed inside there, you gotta let it vent until that drops. Moisture all over the table. Takes about a minute. You can hear the pressure dropping slower and slower, and then all of a sudden that pin will drop. That was a lot of pressure. I cooked 4 chicken breasts and a barbecue sauce, if you want to call it. It was more of a marinade because I added a bunch of stuff to some store-bought barbecue sauce. And it dropped. That's how you know it's done. Now, the most important recommendation I will make to you when you're opening it up, turn it very slowly. All moisture is built up and developed under. You want that moisture to go someplace. You want to put it in a plate, some's on the table. And I want to show you what's going on. It's still boiling. So, that's my dinner. Oh, there's like 5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in there. That because you're pressure cooking it, it impregnates the meat with all your flavoring. Because you're not cooking this on the stove. This is like the best of impregnating the food with flavor.